Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the screen recording function on your Oppo 5S phone. Okay, so let's get down to it. Okay, right at the screen on your phone, look for your setting buttons. Okay, yeah, alrighty, click on that. Cool. Okay, scroll down the menu. Right at the bottom you should see system apps. Click on that. Okay, and then right at the bottom is the screen recording. Let me show you that again. The screen recording is right at the bottom. This is for you to change some of the functions. If you don't want to use your voice while recording, you can just unclick that. And there are we can make changes to the video as well. There's some additional information at the bottom. Okay, so let's get down to it. Okay, let's find your icon, screen icon, for this screen recording icon. Okay, drop down the menu from the notification bar right at the top, drag it down. You should be able to see start recording, screen recording. But if it's not there, then it must have been hidden. So go at the top of the screen on the right hand side and unhide all the icons. Click on that. It will unhide. It will collapse all the icons that, uh, that are available for you to use. Okay, so you see all the icons available down there. And let's just pretend there's no screen recording icon. Obviously on my phone there's the screen icon because I put it there. Let's just put it back. Okay, and how you drag it back? Simple, just drag it back to the drop down menu. That's it. So in the future you just drop down the menu and you're able to press the button and start doing your screen recording. Okay, so if you don't want to use your voice, just undo the voice recording under the system apps where the settings for screen recording is there. Previously you can just rewind back and then see where it is. Okay, and then now I'm going to show you how to edit your videos. Okay, I usually use Viva Video. It's a really simple video editing tool, and just click on that. You can get that video editing tool from the App Store for the Android phone. Okay, so I'm choosing one clip just to show you what you can do with the Viva Video. First of all, if your video comes with noise or sound, you might want to mute it. So click on Music tab and then click on the volume button to mute. Okay, once you have muted, you can choose Add Music and choose whichever music that you like. I have my own collection that I like. I keep on using this one. It's royalty free. I'll do a video on all the royalty free music that the YouTube won't ban you for. Okay, now I'm going to do voice recording, but before that I'm going to reduce the volume for the background music. Okay, so I'm going to reduce it to 8. 8 should be fine, enough for the audience or the viewers to hear your voice with a nice soothing background music. Click on Add Voiceover, and you can start recording your voice, whether it's impromptu or scripted. And once you're done with it, just click on the tick tab and it should load the voice over to your video. Okay, and I'm going to show you some of the things that you can do to spruce up your video. I'm going to use the text function to add some text. Maybe perhaps just use bubble Okay, a bubble top. Add that on, and just follow the instruction. Tap to add text. Simple and straightforward. I'm gonna type hi. Okay, I'm done with that. Next, look at the duration of the text. It's really short, so I'm gonna drag it over and lengthen it. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now I'm just gonna go back to the other tabs and click some more. I'm gonna add stickers. So stickers comes in the form of GIF emojis, and they have other cool stuff actually, romantic stuff and useful stuff. So I'm gonna click on the subscribe button. Let's go for the big red one, huh? YouTube. Subscribe. Yes. It's all animated, folks. It makes your video look more attractive. So I'm just going to use that, and I'm going to add another icon. I'm going to use an arrow button just to show you some of the animated arrows that are useful for you to use in your videos, especially when you're explaining things. That gives more direction and helps your audience to focus, because sometimes, the way we talk can be, for some people they might not be able to understand. So arrows and animated arrows and circles help to do that. So I'm gonna add in filter just to make things romantic. I'm gonna choose cream. I'm just gonna use 100% of the cream filter. Okay, it looks nice. And I have a whole bunch of filters right over under the filter tab. I think I'm happy with the cream. I'm just gonna use the cream. Okay, so moving on, going back to the main menu or tabs. I'm gonna do some clip editing. Go to canvas. The canvas is good for you to export your video into that format. There's Instagram, there's TikTok, but we're gonna export it to YouTube, so choose YouTube, guys. There you go. That looks nicer. After you've chosen that, now you can do some editing, clip editing. So you can trim it, cut it, delete it, whichever clips that you don't like, you can just cut it out. It's plain and simple, very easy to use. Okay, I'm just gonna cut the last part of that. I'm gonna use the cut out, not the trim. Okay, because trim, it will just eliminate the video from the front. But if you're gonna just cut it out, I think I am trimming. Okay, I think I'll stick to trim the video first. Okay, I've trimmed the video. Okay, I'll show you the cut out function. Oh no, let me just split it. It's easier that way. Split the scenes. Press on the split. There you go. And you can just delete it. Yeah. Alright, so if it says there's some stickers and music and stuff, then you might have to re-add all that if it's missing. So double check. That's one thing, the downside of using this Viva video. Okay, and at the end you can add thanks for watching. If you're subscribed to Viva Video, you can remove the watermark. That's the best part. Okay, so I'm rendering the video, or in a more layman's term would be exporting. So I'm exporting, rendering and exporting at the same time. This is such a short clip, it shouldn't take long. The longer the clip, the longer it will take, let me warn you. Okay, once you're done with the exporting, you can upload it to YouTube, since this is a YouTube video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this, and please subscribe. If you like this video, like it please.